Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. So now we're on the road and today we're heading to Falling Edge Waterfalls. It's also called Bowden Hill Waterfall. Alright, so let me just show you what it looks like. So feast your eyes on the Bowden Hill Waterfall, located in the parish of St. Andrew, just 30 minutes away from Kingston. So one doesn't have to go all the way to Ocherias or Portland to enjoy a waterfall. Now time for some directions. So right now we're on Stony Hill Road. From Stony Hill Road we're going to turn on to Seaview Road. So if you're coming from Kingston you take the right turn right by the tasty and continue straight. So after coming off Stony Hill Road, continue straight, you'll pass a car wash and right by the shop you're going to turn left and continue straight. So after driving for about 5 minutes, you will see this bridge. You want to go across it and turn left and again continue straight. As is always the case when driving around in Jamaica, you'll be in store for some scenic views. Look at that. What we're looking at right now is the Hermitage Dam. So you want to continue straight until you see these signs and turn right. After which you will continue driving straight for another 10 minutes or so. The road may get a little rough, but just continue straight. So this is the parking area to get to Bowden Hill Waterfall or Falling Edge Waterfall. Alright, so now let's walk along the path. Pretty straightforward, not too hard to find. Just continue straight along the path. You want to turn left right here at the fork. If you were to go right, you will go to the Hermitage Dam. But as we're not going that way, We're going to go left. Wide variety of fern here at Falling Edge Waterfall. This is the pink fern. So yes people, so this is my lovely tour guide. What's the name again?
Nadine.
Nadine. So I big up Nadine from the Falling Edge Waterfall. She was the one who showed us around and she lit the fires to ensure that the mosquitoes stay away. So whenever you come into Falling Edge Waterfall and you see Nadine, yeah man, you can definitely go with her. She's knowledgeable. How long you been working here?
Just 1 month.
Oh, just 1 month. Okay. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Yeah. Why you like it? What you like about it?
When I go to
Yeah.
when the people are coming, it's a habit.
Okay, so you're a people person. Alright then, that more one here. Alright, big up yourself. You hear, Nadine? Alright. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. But before we go, we have 2 other videos that are coming up. So please check them out, okay? So until then, please subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like, comment and share. Thank you.